Hello guys, good morning. And right now we just got up actually. It was late. Now it's 9 o'clock. And now we are now here in our first day and beach resort. So now we are heading now to our breakfast and I'll show you how it looks like in the morning here. See, there's still no people from outside. It's still 9 o'clock, so people might be still sleeping, so it will maybe crowded later, because actually we have seen a bunch of people yesterday. They are checking in, so it will be get crowded later again. So as you can see, and I don't know what is this this one. Let me see. This one. It is a stone in the middle of the water. I don't know if you can call it an island, but it's just like a big rock. So it is in the middle of the water. Maybe it's an island, something like that. So I can zoom in. As you can see, it's the middle of the island. I don't know how to get there. Maybe you have to rent a boat or something. So we'll check it out later. So anyway, for now, we're going for breakfast. Now we're going now for our breakfast. So this is the hallway actually in this hotel. So same in this side. So this is our room. So now we are going now to the buffet breakfast because Isabella is already hungry. So now we are now in the ground floor. Come. So this is the ground floor. And inside in the hotel, they have two shops where you can buy your souvenir or your swimming costumes. So these are the souvenir shops. And next shop is the swimming costumes, when we can get your swimming costumes in there. So that's the one. And this is Isabella, my OOTD. Simple OOTD.
Dada! Look, you did this by hair.
So now we are here now in the restaurant. So we are heading to the restaurant. Breeze. I think this is the one. So this is how it looks like inside.
What is that? I don't like this.
This is the outside seating from the restaurant. So we're having our food.
I don't know. It's melted.
Gone.
No, other side they have also.
You like donut?
Yeah.
Yeah. That's sausage you don't like.
I don't know. No. Yeah. Try this. Try this
I have.
Yes. Try it.
Nice?
Yes, nice.
What is this?
Yes,
Chicken?
nice. Right.
Very good.
Oh, chicken.
Dug, yeah?
Yummy.
Take it in.
Try it, nice. I just like, what? Why is
It's
it
hash brown. Say potato hash brown. Well,
Curry.
potato hash brown?
why no?
Put your legs down. Sit
Ga-
properly.
गावान बसलेल्या बशीन बसला.
Bella, sit properly. Put your legs down and sit properly on the chair. Ah, good.
Dida, ah? Mama, these two I don't like.
Don't eat, I said, Isabella. Eat what you like. Don't like, you can leave
I
it.
even don't want this.
Ah. Just now you said it was
Bella,
nice
we're
and
not
tasty.
coming out from here. Unless you have breakfast, bro.
Mama, please, I don't want this.
Okay.
This one at least you eat.
I like this, but I don't want the sausage.
Yeah, it's okay, man. Sausage.
It has cheese, no?
No, it's, I ate the cheese. I ate the cheese.
No, there's more cheese in there.
दुसरी घेतलेली त्याने मग तुझे त्यांना सरांना झाले सकाळी आले घेतलेले
Mama, I want this bad, please. Just don't like the potato inside.
वय बर्थडेचे हात आहे तुमच्या
Yeah, I don't
कानातले नु
Why, Mama, I have to eat this potato?
इंडियन दिसता इंडियन
I don't like the potato. I don't like potato. Ma, Mama, I don't like the potato inside.
How is it, Bella? Looks like?
the earrings
I don't like this potato.
Bella now everything
Only I don't like this.
Which one you want to eat?
This and this. I like this, and this. And don't like and this one. Not this. I like it.
Very crunchy.
I don't really like this one, Mama, please. Only these
स्टार्ट
ones,
केले त्यानं
I
आता
like
ये
these.
नका ते नका मका परत ये जाय ते जाय प्लॅन तर तेच हा पोहे आता पोटात खेळ जातात ते वय बीचवर खाला स्विमिंग पूल अजून की वयतली काय ना चल दोरू चलो बाय से बाय
You want donut? Want donut?
And now, it's time for our fruits.
Guys,
Isabella, she did not finish her food. And I love their harsh brown. It's so crispy.
guys, I'm just eating egg.
She's eating egg.
Why?
ओके फाइन डोंट ईट आई ईट इट
I know what is this.
व्हाट इज इट
Fruits is very nice.
दिस इज व्हाट माय हस्बैंड इज
Waffle.
Hi
This
guys.
is my husband's plate, and
I'm eating egg.
this is also his plate. He finished,
Excuse me.
and second plate.
No, this is hers. She's lying. Look
And-
at us. Look at us. Who look like a big eater? Who's always doing mukbang?
Yeah, guys, doing mukbang.
And
Guys,
he finished one plate.
Guys.
Then I have
Guys.
taken one more plate for him. Then there will be one more.
guys, guys. This is not Mama's. That one is
Your phone is going to
Dada's.
fly away, Bella.
Very nice. There's also sitting from inside, but we prefer outside where there's a nice view and the weather is very nice.
No,
So
You need the card more. Why you need the card more?
I just want to go with it.
I had really enjoyed this holiday and it's so amazing.
You lose it, huh? Don't play with it like that. You damage it.
I believe I can touch the sky.
This is our view. There's a swimming pool. We've gone there yesterday actually. And
And we are going to go
Other-
swimming pool again.
so this is the view of this from outside. That's why we prepare from outside to eat. Hello! My husband is taking a break.
Oh,
He's full.
I go with that.
I'm not full. I'm just looking at how you're doing your
This
vlog.
side up.
This is Isabella's food. She did not finish.
I'm full.
So, the father has to finish her food.
Yeah, right.
The father will finish.
After me, and I win.
One for you, right?
Huh?
One for you, right? You said I told you one only I want.
Have it. It's free.
Beep, beep, beep.
Have it. I don't remember what you said. Too much already you give me a word. Should have gone there to get your food.
Isabella,
You like?
Kapak.
It was very crispy. I like it. So crunchy.
Mosquito.
This one is my guy. No scratch?
Put that garnish na Bella. You won't be able to go inside. Huh?
You know,
True?
unlock and
Unlock what?
Hi guys, we're done with our breakfast, but me and Bella is done. But look at this guy.
Seriously.
Look at this guy.
They are not eating, okay? They're taking but putting in my plate. This is how they are behaving.
He's defensive, that means he's guilty. I did not mention the name. So that means,
So mean.
so meaning he's defensive. I'm not mentioning name, but he's defensive. So meaning he's guilty. Anyway, we have to end this vlog because it's getting so long. So I'll see you to our next one. So we still have a lot more to explore in this place, and definitely we'll share it to you. So I hope to see you to our next one. Bye.